As well as the EOS M50, Canon also announced two new entry point DSLRs. There's the EOS 2000D, which is an update to the EOS 1300D, or also known as the Rebel T6 in the US. And we've got the new 4000D, which, while it may appear to sit above the 2000D in the range, actually is the new low entry point DSLR from Canon. Let's start looking at the EOS 2000D. This is an update to the 1300D, which is one of our most popular entry-level DSLRs on Tech Radar. While much hasn't changed on the exterior of the camera, perhaps the biggest change has happened internally. It's replaced the 18 megapixel chip in the 1300D with a new 24.1 APS-C CMOS sensor. So that's about it for the 2000D. The 9-point AF system remains. It's also got the Digic 4 Plus image processor, and it's got Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity. So we'll take a closer look at the 4000D. This is Canon's new entry-level DSLR, which is aimed to get people back into photography and away from their smartphones. The EOS 4000D features an 18 megapixel sensor, 9-point AF system and a Digic 4 Plus image processor. They've actually stripped back many of the controls on the 2000D, so as you can see, the green A auto mode has disappeared. It's still on there, but they've just removed the colour from it. And there's also a simple off setting on the mode dial rather than a dedicated switch, while the controls, all of the labelling has been printed on the body rather than the actual buttons themselves. Another effort to cut costs has been the plastic lens mount, so this also reduces weight. If you do want the metal lens mount, then you've got the 2000D further up the range. You also have to pop them flash up manually, but that's no big deal if you know what you're doing, and it's fairly straightforward to do, and the camera will warn you that you need flash. So that's been a quick overview of the new EOS 2000D and 4000D from Canon. Check out Tech Radar for a full hands-on review.